Hello everybody, SA Apps Info here. Hope you are well. Today I'll show you how to check Facebook ads account quality in your mobile phone. It can be your Android or it can be your iPhone. So this is same as Android and iPhone. So how to see account quality on Facebook, or how can you see the Facebook ads account on your Android phone or your mobile phone. So this is a simple method. Some of our subscriber or some of our viewers commented that uh, they need to see this on mobile phone. They don't have any laptop or desktop, so we think I make a video on this. So after that, open any browser whatever you have, and then go to the facebook.com, and here you can see the Facebook is open here. So after that, click to the three dot menu upper here, and then you can see option that desktop mode, and then turn on this, and then go to the search bar and use the pen tool and delete m dot m dot. Just use http dot facebook.com and then enter this, and then the desktop version will be opened. And then go to the three dot menu here, and then click to the three dot menu there, and here you can see a see more option. Click to the see more, and then you can find a option that ads manager. Click to the ads manager option, and then your ads manager terminal will be opened here. Wait a second. Yes, here you can see your ad manager account. So you can see all of things here. You can do all of the things here as like as an Android or desktop. This is now both are same. So that's all for today. I hope this helps you. If this helps you, then don't forget to subscribe our channel for more informative legit videos. Or if you have any problem, then don't forget to comment below and we will solve this. So that's all for today. See you in the next one. Tata.